Hi guys, welcome back. How are you today? Today we'll practice lesson 9. First the sound as beginning of words. Thanks, thanks, tick, tick, thunder, thunder, Thursday, Thursday, think, think, is the middle of words. Anything, anything, bad math, bad math, toothpick, toothpick, athlete, athlete, mouthwash, mouthwash, at the end of words. But, not, not, beneath, beneath, pot, pot, salt, salt. Practice in the following tongue with I think, I thought, but the thought I thought, it not the thought that I thought, I think I thought, but the thought I thought, it not the thought that I thought. The sound the at the beginning of words. The, that, they, some, there, this, those, there, these, in the middle of words. Closing, leather, mother, another, weather, not, at the end of words. Smooth, base, breathe. Practice in the following their last. This is the bad one. Because like that. Was it on? This is bad on. Really? But that on over there. Look nice too. Yes. But I think this on better. This is bad on. Are you sure? Yes, it is better one. Okay, I'll buy it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.